You don't have to be a genius in order to do well in maths, and I'm telling you this because I used to be someone who failed every single maths test, and then now in university, I get literally 98% in my exams. And I do chemical engineering. Now, towards this exam time, I always get asked the same questions, especially for maths, which is how do you practice for more difficult questions? Where do you find these difficult questions? Because one of the things that you want to do, especially if you're doing your A-level maths this year, is to keep testing yourself and broadening your knowledge, testing to see if you know how to answer more difficult questions. Because as you've probably seen from the past papers and from what happened last year, the papers have been getting more and more difficult. So one of the ways that you can do this is by using MadasMaths. MadasMaths has a lot of difficult questions. They have a lot of the questions in physics and maths tutor as well. Like if you go to maths revision and you go underneath, there's the MadasMaths section, and there's a bunch of other ones as well. And what I like about it is that they tell you which paper it will go into. So sometimes there's topics like integration 1, for example, which you think is only in paper 1, but it's actually also coming up in paper 2, and they will say that in PMT. Now, another one that I like to use is MME. So MME has their A to A star A-level not predicted papers, but practice papers. So these are specifically designed for you to kind of look at the more difficult questions only, and it is aimed for top students who are achieving good grades already and want to get A to A star. So it's kind of just more difficult questions. For more info on that, I'll link it right here so you can see the paper itself. I think they have a few examples there. It will have the 3 exam papers with the mark scheme included. It will be sent to you as the physical paper, so it feels like an actual exam paper. And again, these papers are designed to be difficult, so it will test your understanding a lot. Not predicted, these are practice papers. Good luck, see you tomorrow.